and the grasshopper. One beautiful summer day, a lazy grasshopper was sitting and enjoying the sun. Just sitting every day. Then a hard-walking ant passed by and bearing along with great effort. Why don't you come and chat with me? Asked the grasshopper. I'm starving food for the winter, says the crow. One day, a crow was very thirsty. She looks for water everywhere. After they searched for water, they could not drink water. He thought he got an idea. Pick up the stone and jump into the water one by one and drop them into the water. And one by one, the water came off. The crow drank the water. Pure obeyed happily. Cow, 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 cow. The moral of the story: never give up. The greeting dog. Once a dog is crossing a brook with a bone in his mouth. He looked into the water and saw another dog with a bone. He wanted that bone too. Pow, 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 pow. He found, and his own bone fell into the water. Now he had no bone. The dog learned never to bury again. Too silly good, too good, but trying to cross a river. They both met in the middle. The beach was so narrow that could not pass each other. None of them wanted to the first to cross. So they began to fight. The silly goats kept on fighting till they both fell into the river and were drowned. The moral of the story is foolishness is always punished. Elephant and the ants. Once upon a time, there lived a huge elephant in a jungle. In the same jungle, there lived a family of ants. They always saw the elephant troubling other animals. One day, the elephant spread a trunk full of water on them. You shouldn't hurt others like this, cried the ant. Keep quiet, I will crush you to death, said the elephant. The ants kept quiet but decided to teach the proud elephant a lesson. Next day, when the elephant was sleeping, the ants started biting him inside his trunk. The elephant cried but couldn't make ant come out. The elephant begged the ant to come out. The ant took pity on the elephant and came out of his trunk. From that day, the elephant never troubled anyone. The moral of the story is never underestimate and hurt anyone. Now learn its home in a tiny nest at the top of a tall tree. Lives a little owl with his brothers and sisters. Oh, what a chaos! Said the little owl. So he decided to fly away to find a new home. On his way, he found a Froggy. Froggy. Hello, Froggy. Your home looks fun. Can I stay with you? And Froggy said, of course. And Owl jumped into the water. And Owl, all soggy. 2 water for me, said the little owl. So he decided to fly away from that found a new home. Next, he met a spider. Hello, spider. Your home looks fun. Can I stay with you? Of course, tells the spider. The little owl stepped into the web and it got tangled. Too sticky for me, little out. So he flew away again, but now poor little owl was all alone whole night. Just then, brother and sister cried, "Little owl, come back, come back." And the little owl flew back to his brothers and sisters, and he said, "This is the best nest." And he lived there happily. Two silly goats. Two goats were trying to cross a river. They both met in the middle. The bridge was so narrow that they could not pass each other. Now each of them wanted to be the first to cross. Fight. Silly goat kept on fighting till they fell into the river. The fox and the crow. One day, a hungry crow was looking for something to eat. She found a piece of cheese and flew with it on a tree. A fox passed below the tree. He saw the crow with the piece of cheese. He wanted that cheese. His mouth started watering. He thought of a plan and said, "Oh, crow, what beautiful feathers you have. Your voice must be sweet too. Can you sing a song for me?" The silly crow opened her mouth and started singing. "Cow, cow, cow." The cheese fell down from the crow's beak. The fox took the cheese and walked away happily. One day, a lion was sleeping under the tree. A naughty mouse came there, started jumping and dancing on the lion's body. Jump up high, reach out the music, jump up high. A lion got angry, caught the mouse and said, "I'll kill you." Mouse said, "Please don't eat me. Someday I will help you." The lion laughed. "You're too small to help me. Okay, you can go." And after some days, the lion slept in a net. He was roar, roar. The mouse heard his friend's voice. He go to help his friend. He cut the net with his sharp teeth. The lion was free. Long time ago, a fox and a star were very good friends. One day, the fox called a star at home for a lunch. When the star arrived, the lunch was ready on the table. There were 2 plates of the soup. The fox started drinking his soup so fast, but the star he could not drink the soup because his beak was too long and the plate was too shallow. The fox said, "Why not drinking? Don't you like my soup?" The star said, "Soup is very good, but I am not hungry."
Clever crow. One day, a crow was very thirsty. He looked for water everywhere.
At last she saw a pot with very little water in it. She could not drink the water. Then she got an idea. She picked up stones, dropped them into the pot. One by one, the water came up. The crow drank the water and flew up happily. Ka ka ka. The moral of the story is never give up. Two silly goats. 2 goats were trying to cross the river. They both met in the middle. The bridge was so narrow that they could not pass each other. Now each of them wanted to be the first to cross. So they began to fight. The silly goat kept on fighting till they both fell into the river and were drowned. The moral of the story: foolishness is always punished. A lion and the mouse. Once upon a time there lived a lion and the mouse. One day the lion was sleeping. The mouse started playing on it. The lion woke up, caught the mouse and going to kill. The mouse told the lion to let him go.
Someday I will do you a favor.
The lion let him go.
One day the lion was caught in a hunter's net. The mouse came along with the rope and let the lion slip away.
A greedy dog. Once a dog caught in a book with one in his mouth. He looked into the water and saw another dog with one in his mouth. He wanted that one too. Whoa, 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 whoa. He bit his own bone, fell into the water. Now he has no bone. The dog learned never to be greedy again. Silly goats. Two goats were trying to cross a river. They both made in the middle. The bridge was so narrow that they could not pass each other.
Now each of them wanted to be the first to cross. So they began to fight. The silly goats kept on fighting till they both fell into the river and were drowned.
The moral of the story is foolishness always punished. Owl and its home in a tiny nest of the top of the tall tree lived a little owl, his brothers and sisters. Oh, what is yours? There's the little owl. So she decided to fly away from there to find a new home. So she found a froggy. Hello Froggy, your room looks fun. Can I stay with you? Of course. Then Owl jumped to the water and his feathers got all soggy. Do what is it for me? Said the little owl. So she flew away from there to find a new home. Next we met a spider. Hello spider, your home looks fun. Can I stay with you? Of course. The spider said, of course. The owl stepped into the web and it got tangled. Too sticky for me, said the owl. So he flew away again, but now poor little owl was all alone. Whole night, just then, his brothers and sisters cried, little owl, come back, come back, come back. The little owl flew back to his brothers and sisters and he said, this is a bird's nest, and he lived there happily. The moral of the story is home is where the heart is. Thanks. The Hare and the Tortoise. One day, a hare and a tortoise decide to run a race. The hare said to the tortoise, you are very slow. You can't win a race with me. Race began. The hare ran very fast. He left the tortoise far behind. I'm sure to win the race. I will take a little nap before the tortoise comes. The hare lay down on the grass and fell asleep, but he overslept. The tortoise kept walking slowly and steadily, and very soon he passed the hare. When hare woke up, he saw